Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2018 GMC Terrain SLE, coming in this nice silver coloring. This vehicle is going to be powered by that lovely 2-liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities. We got rear park sensing in the back, a dual exhaust, tow hitch receiver, backup camera, roof spoiler, roof rails as well. We got some nice silver trim along this vehicle as well, which adds a nice pop to the black and silver coloring. Nice looking rims. We do get blind spot detection, turn light indicated mirrors with a lovely remote start, and our lovely GMC grille. Taking a look at the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space, which is always pretty handy. You can collapse your last row if you need additional storage by just hitting those buttons there, or just pulling the lever, sorry. Plenty of hooks and doodads for all your cargo necessities, and you do get your normal storage below. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior with some gold stitching. We got rear vents, 2 USBs, and an outlet down there. Floor mats with the carpet interior. Plenty of door space in the back. You got some wood paneling. And of course you do get cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space in the back. Powered windows, mirrors, locks. We got your lights, parking brake, hood, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 132,326 kilometers. Got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel with toggle-free screen, voice phone, cruise control, and volumes and modes behind the steering wheel. We got a digital speedometer here with informations and other options. We do get trip A, trip B, fuel information, oil life, tire pressure, fuel economy, and to my right we get cup holders. You got your drive modes, heated seats, little storage there with your hill assist, more storage here with some outlets. You got an SD card input in there as well, more storage below, your gear selections right here, dual climate up front, engine start stop, hazards, your little infotainment system here, got storage below. We got our SOS and OnStar services with our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And looking here, we have our main screen with audio, navigation, and phone. For your audio, you get your AM, FM, Bluetooth. We got SiriusXM as well. We do get our phone controls here where you can connect a phone, favorites, keypad, recent phone, and your navigation. Pretty easy to use. Keywords or address, search recent saved, zoom in and out, move around, all that stuff. Your audio, I don't know why that's on. I'm gonna go home real quick. You do get widgets, so you got your navigation, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Shop, OnStar, and shifting to reverse, we do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is GA84539B, and you can head on in a PG Ford or give us a call.